Hello and welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Goldman Sachs as they are saying that cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, it's not an asset class. We have to discuss this. And also, Grayscale is buying Bitcoin like crazy. I have new data now, and it's really mind-blowing. And don't forget that I'm making videos every day from Monday to Friday, the freshest news in blockchain and cryptocurrency. So if you would like to stay up to date, then just please subscribe down there, this channel, and also hit the notification button so you get the new videos immediately. I'm usually uploading the videos in lunchtime, Central European time. And okay, it's time to jump in today's topics, but before I do so, let's check the market. Okay, so what's happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is right now at $9,159 in more than 3% increase. And let's check out the winners of the last 24 hours. Electronum 18% plus, Engine Coin 14% plus, and Heather Hashgraph 11% in plus. And then the losers, real quick, Theta, they went up like crazy in the last couple of days. Now they are in minus 20%, Ren minus 8%, and BitShare in minus 4%. And let's move on to today's first topic, and this is all about that Goldman Sachs is saying that cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, they are not part of the asset class. And they went against Mike Bloomberg, who actually says that cryptocurrency is really an asset class. And it's here in this article, you can read a lot of things, but this is the most important part of it. If you check this out, this was a PowerPoint presentation, what they had, and it was released yesterday on the 27th of March. And here are all the bullet points, what they're saying against cryptocurrency and against Bitcoin, why it's not an asset class. And when we come here, Nicholas Merton on Twitter did a really good job, and he wrote down all the things against the points what Goldman Sachs is saying. And I would like to just point out a couple of them. You can go on his Twitter side and then just simply read them all. But it's really funny. They're saying that they claim that the reason people buy Bitcoin is because they expect to sell it to another person at a higher price. So I'm asking you that is doing the same. What are people doing with stock and bonds? Is it not the whole point to buy it on a price, and then you believe that that price will go up, and then you're going to sell it, and that's how you make your profit? Interesting, right? And that was their point against Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Also, they say that Bitcoin volatility dismantles its ability to be an asset. And then he is saying here that, allow me to introduce you to the multi-trillion-dollar commodity oil, which turned negative just a couple of weeks ago. Remember, in May, oil went, in minus, basically, and it fell like hell, and this is still something, an asset, what you hold, of course, and you would like to make profit, but they have nothing against this. Also, another interesting one, they cite that Bitcoin doesn't provide yield like bond, and the question is, what about gold? Gold and many other assets don't provide yield either. So this is, again, very weak points altogether. So I wouldn't be surprised, and here he says as well, if these guys, Goldman Sachs, will come up with something in crypto in a couple of years. Just remember about JP Morgan. In 2017, they were really against Bitcoin. And then it turned out later that they were actually negotiating with cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase since 2018. And now Coinbase and Gemini, they became their clients. So it could happen that even Goldman Sachs is coming up with something like that later on. But now they're really against Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So I think it was a very interesting one. Another news also bullish on Bitcoin this time, Grayscale, because Grayscale, it's buying Bitcoin really like crazy. Here you can see this little comparison. Here you can see how much Bitcoin they have bought since 11th of May, since the halving. And here is how much Bitcoin was mined actually since the 11th of May. And that means they bought 1.5 times the amount of Bitcoin being mined since. And here, I say Grayscale has added 18,910 Bitcoin to its Bitcoin investment trust since the halving, while only 12,337 Bitcoins have been mined since May 11. So they accumulating a lot of Bitcoin. They believe in Bitcoin very strongly. I've never seen anybody to buying Bitcoin so heavily. Look, they have accumulated 60,762 Bitcoin over the last 100 days. I don't know who are the investors behind them, as this is an investment group, but they are really bullish on Bitcoin. They buy everything. So that's what I wanted to say today. So if you would like to have the freshest news in Bitcoin, blockchain, cryptocurrency, then please subscribe the button down there. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so you get always the freshest videos immediately, which I'm usually putting on YouTube in lunchtime, Central European time. And here you can also subscribe to the channel. And on the other side here you have great videos, from the past. Lots of information in these videos. So tomorrow I'm coming with the new one with the freshest news. I wish you a great day and see you tomorrow.